Go exercise with Sissy. Go do the tree pose.
Like this. Do tree pose. Is that a tree pose? Sammy. Ready?
Go exercise with Sissy.
Come on.
Sammy do.
Do push-ups.
Go do push-up.
Ready? Here's the tree pose. Do tree pose. Sammy, look. Look at Sissy. Come on, stand up. Stand up. Tree pose. Do tree pose.
She probably can't do it with that shirt on. Come here. Come here. Take this off.
Do tree pose. He's got to hold on to everything.